Why do you intentionally delay important tasks that you know you should be doing? You are aware of the negative consequences, but still you postpone it. It happens very often, isn't it? And what do we call it? Procrastination. So many missed opportunities, poor results, conflicts, guilt, and the list goes on. A few years ago, while I visited India, my mother insisted that I go meet my sick neighbor. Even though she reminded me of it every day, I got that done only a day before I returned. A few months later, the sick person passed away. It was sad news for me, however, I had a sense of relief that I managed to have one proper final meeting with the lady who is no more. In this example, I was certainly suffering from procrastination. Luckily, I made it. If not, the guilt would have crushed me. I recall those days to better understand why I did not visit the sick lady till the last day. The answer? Overthinking. Assumptions of the questions she would ask me about my international marriage, about the decade I've been away from home, about my responsibilities as a son, and on and on. You see, overthinking is the most common form of procrastination. Overthinking is so tempting because it imitates progress. It makes you feel like, yeah, I'm working on it. But in fact, you have not taken a single step forward. I believe when you know what you need to do, stop thinking and start moving. Though it will benefit your career aspirations, finance, or fitness goals, I want to dedicate this message to meaningful relationships. What is that you have not told your spouse? What is the phone call you have been hesitant to make? Who is that you have always wanted to meet but never did? Go do it before it's too late.